I'd like to show you how I separated Guest Hollow's government, economics, and personal finances schedule so that I can use government separately from economics and personal finance. I hope that you find this video helpful. Make sure to let me know below. Affecting the Guest Hollow LLC copyright and licensing agreement, I will show you how I separated the topics, but I won't be able to send you a copy. First, let's start by using the Word document that Guest Hollow has provided for you. As you begin separating topics, note that there are some keywords that will guide you into what topic is what. So for example, government. Here are some keywords: Constitution, President, civic, parties, politics, liberal, free speech. And for economics, personal finance, money, logic, recession, trade, supply demand, inflation. Those are just some keywords that will guide you along the way. Note that some of these words could actually cross over, so you'll need to go through each section carefully. The sections are color coordinated. That makes it easy for separation. Let's take a look on the left side of the computer screen. The left computer is where I will work, and the right side is for me to double check my work. I decided to change the title to just government. It's just easier to follow. The yellowish orange colored titled lines are attached to economics and personal finance. My focus is government, so I deleted that line. And in this case, the two lines under the title went with it. So I deleted those. The next line is non-fiction books, and I noticed the books are discussing money, so I deleted it. The next line is fiction, literature, graphic novels. That was blank for this week, so I deleted it. Here, I deleted the lines in bulk. I'm going to leave the workbook checkbox row. Next, extra resources and activities is the next titled line. I'm carefully reading this to see what does not connect to the topic of government. The Catan game is economics-based, so I'm highlighting that here. It could cross over to government. You decide if you want to keep that or delete it. So you see how you have to carefully go through each section. Cook a meal, granola, delete. Everything else in this box links to the topic of government. The video section. I deleted this section because the topics were all about economics and personal finance. Full-length videos. Bye-bye. On the right hand of the screen, or the computer to the right, I'm now double-checking my work. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything or deleted the wrong item. So I'll now go back to the left computer and delete those two lines because I don't need them. Hello, my name is CJ, and thank you for being here. If you're enjoying what you see, please give it a thumbs up. So here I realized that each titled word would pop if it were bolded, so I need to go back and fix a few of those. Reference books. Some of these are about economics, so I delete those, but I keep the People's Guide. Recircling back to tidy things up a bit. Oh no, what is this popping up for? I think government would work best in the middle for the kids and I, so I move it. more to tidy up. Now we're on to week 2. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help.